Hello guys, welcome to the 3D podcast. This evening, I'm with Afiq, Pijo, Wafri and Adib. We'll discuss about cloud computing.
Feeling good, right?
Yep, always good, man. So before this, I have a family gathering now.
Alright.
So my brother asked me what is cloud computing is actually work today. So I really curious about it. So what is cloud computing and history behind it?
I discovered an article about cloud computing. What that mean by cloud computing? Cloud computing is delivery of the computer services over the internet, allowing user to access, store data, and application in remote location. The history behind the cloud computing origin from 1960, which is developed by Dr. Joseph Carl Roberts, which is we know as the father of cloud computing, or we call it cloud today nowadays. Is the American computer scientist and psychology introduced early idea of the global cloud. I just wondering what is the benefit of cloud computing services?
Okay, I know. I have made some research about cloud computing benefit that can give for the business. So first is cost saving. It is because when they use cloud computing, they don't need to use the physical hardware, and also they can reduce the maintenance cost. So next is the scalability. It is because when you use the cloud computing, it is easy to scalable to accommodate the growth and change in the demand, allowing the business to quickly adapt to market needs. Next is the accessibility. With this, they can enable the access to data wherever they are, as long as they have the internet connection.
Yes, like I said before, right? The
Yes.
definition, right? Oh,
Good.
I see.
And the last benefit is disaster recovery. It is because in cloud computing there's a backup. So that after we do some change, it will back up by itself. So if there's something problem like a natural disaster or cyber attack, the data will be not lost because there is already a backup.
Oh, I see. For the next one is
For the next, after we heard and I heard about the why and what the benefits, and so I also curious about the key components of cloud computing. What is the key components?
Yeah, for me, as I major in IT, so I've been learning in my diploma.
Oh, you major in IT?
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh my
god,
God.
man. Same, man.
Yeah.
we have met a right person, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Then there are a few components which are three key components.
Alright.
We have infrastructure, we have data center. We have infrastructure, storage, and also networking.
Oh.
So for infrastructure, we divided into two parts, which is physical servers and also data centers. So for the physical servers, basically it is a powerful computer machine that master everything virtually. So for the second part, which is data center, basically it is a large building.
Oh, warehouse, right?
Yeah.
Warehouse. Oh, yeah.
So a building full with a server. So that building is the core, which is all the servers, internet and server data and then
All can
combined.
combine.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the second key component called storage.
Storage.
It divided into three types, which is object storage, block storage, and also file storage.
Oh.
As you know, object storage, object or something physical that we can touch, we can
Like server.
bring anywhere. Yeah.
Oh.
So
server switch and everything, right?
the object storage is the place we can store anything virtually and physically. So the second one is block storage. Block storage is a raw storage that you attach to virtual machine, like student. Block storage, we call it as external hard drive.
Oh, I see.
Ah,
Yeah.
Oh.
So and last one, the file storage. This offers a shared file system that many people or application can access. So networking, we also got three main keys. So the first one we call virtual network. So this virtual network act like a private network in the cloud. So the second one we have load balancer. The load balancer basically just make things work smoothly.
Oh.
So the last one is firewalls. As you know, firewall is basically act like security for internet.
Defense, right?
Yeah.
It's defense, right?
So it's filtering incoming and outgoing traffic based on security rules.
Oh, okay.
So that's all about the IT
Yeah.
key component, right?
Key component,
IT
right.
key component for the cloud computing. So after we know about the key components of cloud computing, so I want to know about what is the type of cloud computing services.
So which type of services?
Yeah, services.
So
I'm really curious.
I do some research about the cloud computing, the type of product that's some, not some, but all the organization that provide. So they have three actually.
Okay.
For the type of services.
All right.
So the first one is infrastructure. Infrastructure as a service,
As a
which is
service.
IaaS.
Oh.
So the second one is platform as a service.
Oh, platform
PaaS.
as a service. Oh.
Yeah, and the last one is software as a service. So we got three. So I'm gonna elaborate more about the first one, which is infrastructure.
All right.
So the infrastructure provide the basic infrastructure, resources like a virtual machine, storage, like what Adib said just now.
Okay.
And the last one is the networking over the internet. Okay, so for the next point, which is platform as a service.
All right.
What about this service is provide a complete environment for developing, testing, and deploying application. We know already about the infrastructure and also the
Platform services.
Yes. Okay, so for the last one, which is the third one, is software as a service. Software as a service provide a fully managed application over the internet, usually on a subscription or a pay as you go basic. For example, like you have to subscribe, or maybe you have to buy one to go to use this services.
The services.
Yeah.
But I figure, what is the common use or a mainly use for company in for use a cloud storage?
Okay.
Do you know any idea?
Oh, company of the cloud storage you are asking. Oh my god.
example.
I thought you give a statement, you know.
Oh.
Okay. So really near us.
Oh.
As we can see on the virtual meeting, we use Google Meet, and that is one of the elements of Google Workspace. So the Google Workspace is the cloud computing, and the second one is the Amazon Web Service.
Oh, this is the earliest cloud.
Yeah.
That's
Not
developed
the-
the system.
Not the Amazon River.
No, this is Amazon Web Services.
Oh, yeah,
Like Afiq said before in the early. Yeah. So and the last one that I figured it out after I read some bloggers say, which is Microsoft Azure.
Oh.
That is one of the example of my cloud computing services.
Oh.
Interesting, right? The example of cloud computing.
Yeah.
So after several times we discuss about cloud computing, so now I have several quiz from the audience. You know, so in the live, right? Give a thumbs up. So what is exactly the cloud computing?
Oh, cloud computing is delivery of computing services like store data, using software, and etc. For saving photo, file, and everything. And it will allowing the users to access around the globe.
Who is the father of this cloud computing?
The father of cloud computing is a doctor from America, American computer science doctor,
Okay.
which is named Dr. Joseph Carrobnet.
Oh.
Dr. Joseph Carrobnet, guys. Yeah. So next from Zulaika Ahmad 345. What's benefits of cloud computing actually do?
Yeah, just like I said before, cost saving and accessibility. There's many more, but that's the main point.
So next, the question from Abdullah. What is the key component for cloud computing to really works?
So thank you Abdullah for the question. So the three main components for cloud computing, we have first one we got infrastructure, second one we have storage, and last one we got networking.
Next, we move to the next question. We got it from Sulaiman Ismail. What service of cloud computing offer for user?
So let me answer it. Okay, that's a very good question. Which is what's the name?
Sulaiman Ismail.
Sulaiman Ismail. Thank you for the question. So the answer for the service that provided by many company, which is we get three. So the first one is infrastructure as a services, which is IaaS. The second one is platform as a services, which is PaaS, and the last one, which is software as a services, software as AAS. So that's three types of
The services that cloud can provide for
Yeah.
the users now.
Really crystal clear the answer. Next question from Zulaika Ibrahim. What software user can use for cloud computing? Wow, this is interesting question. I want to answer it.
Oh.
So like I said before, that is really new with us, which is like we use daily Google Workspace, Microsoft Azure, and the last one is Amazon Web Service. That is a really simple
Example. Software.
Yeah. So next, the last question. The last question is really nice question.
Okay.
From who? From Zulaika Najwa. So the question sounds like, what the future evolution of cloud computing?
Oh, evolution of cloud computing. Oh,
in the
that's
future.
That's a really good question.
Yeah.
Well developed, well constructed. So I think for the next evolution of cloud computing, it's not about store data. It's not about store data used as a service anymore. It's more than that. Like for example, it will integrate it with artificial intelligence, because right now, in the nowadays, right, we have a lot of application software and everything integrated with AI.
Yeah.
So it will be in the future it will be a cloud server or a cloud warehouse that integrated with AI, so they can improve their response, appropriate response, and also will be more accurate because the data will be stored is mass data.
Really great answer from all three podcaster. So after we hear about what and the history behind the cloud computing, the benefits, key component, the types and the examples of cloud computing, that's all from this discussion on this day. So see you soon in the next video.
Bye.